Fourth year final year has one subject research and statics. This notes is on the medical statics written by the Dr. Suhas Kumar Shetty, collected by the Dr. Arun Kumar Piradar. They are the PG in Shalya Tantra Hassan. Medical statics. What is the syllabus point in the medical statics? Application of these statistical methods to the Ayurvedic research, collection, compilation, and the tabulation of the medical statics, methods of the representation of a data, calculation of a mean, median, mode of a measurement of a variability, standard deviation, standard error, normal probability curve. The concept of a regression and the correlation and their interpretation, test of significance, these are F test and their simple application, principle of a medical experimentation on the variation in experimental design, and the vital statics. These are the syllabus point in our syllabus. General introduction to the statics, derivation and the origin of the word static. The word statics is derived from a Latin word called as a status, Italian word statistica, then statista, German word called as a statistic. All these words refer to a political state, which is because of the reason that the knowledge of a static was used to run a state, a kingdom, or a country. These are the statics, which is the knowledge used for a state, kingdom, or a country. According to a Webster, statics is the classified fact representing the condition of the people in a state, especially those facts which can be expressed in terms of numbers and the tables in a classified. The word static can be used in both in a singular and a plural sense also. It gives a different understanding when used in a singular and a plural form. Then what is then singular meaning of a statics? Here it means refers to the science. In a singular sense, the word statics is used to mean a subject, science, or a discipline. Statics is a study of a knowledge which deals with a different method of a collection, classification, presentation, analysis, and the interpretation of the data. What is data? It refers to the sort of information which is collected in terms of a value. Plural meaning of a statics. According to Secrets, the plural meaning of a static refer to the statistical method, aggregate of a fact affected to a mark extent by the multiplicity of the causes, numerically expressed, enumerated and estimated according to a reasonable standard of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose or cause, placed in a relation with each other. These are the plural meaning of a statics. If we use the word statics in for a multiple cause or for a multiple fact, for a multiple numbers, that is a numerical expressed, for a collected in a systematic manner, for a predetermined purpose, if we want to relation with each other, then you can use a statics in the plural meaning. And then aggregate of a fact means it refers to the collection of a various data. Aggregates of facts means the collection of a various data. In example, collection of a BP, weight, height, etc. 20 students are in each classes. These are then the affected to a marked extent by the multiplicity of causes. A sample or a subject or a recording uh, be affected by a various internal, external, and the miscellaneous cause like age, sex, time, place, food habit, and a religion. These are the affected to a mark extent by the multiplicity of the cause. Mark extent term is very important. Example, blood pressure variation according to the change in a emotion status, hormonal changes. Then the numerical expressed means a quantifying the data, that is expression of the collection of a data in the terms of the values, means a blood pressure 120 by 80 Hg or 140 by 90 mm of Hg. Then a standard of accuracy, data should be standardized according to the normal values. Example, in between the range of minimal and the maximum value. Record of a BP from 0 to 300 mm of Hg only. Variation plus and minus 15 mm of Hg is a systolic blood pressure, and the variation of plus or minus 10 mm of Hg in a diastolic blood BP. Then statics is in a collection in a systemic manner, means for the collection of a data various methods of a researchers should be adopted, that is in a standard with a particular restriction, performing a dhara only for 40 minutes, recording a BP sharply at 9 am only. For a predetermined purpose, collection of data based on a research plan or a requirement of a research, that is according to the aim and objective of the research project. Example, collection of a blood sugar level before and after the Madhutailika Basti Prayoga in a 30 diabetic patient. These are the predetermined purpose. Then, according to the placed in relation with each other, that is a correlation of a data collection, correlation of a data collected before and after the intervention, variables observed during the study like a height, place, temperature, etc. during the study. Branches of a statics, there are two main branches of a static: descriptive statics and the inferential static. Descriptive statics means it refers to the various statistical measures that are used to describe the various characteristics of a data. For this statics, we cannot conclude over the collected data, means example, a mean, mode and median and a standard deviation. These are descriptive statics. Then in inferential statics, it refers to a various statistical measures that are used to draw on some valid conclusion and the finding. Test of significance like t test, f test, z test, uh, chi-square test, etc. Objectives of the statics, the objectives of statics are of a two-folded: to condense, organize and summarize the collected raw data, to reach or a draw to or to take a decision about a large data, that is a population, by examining a small part of a sample of a data. These are the objectives of data. First one, condense, organize and summarize the data. Second one, to take a decision about a large population or a large part by examining a small part of data. Then the application of a static science with a statistical support will yield a food that will achieve its maximum outcome. The science of a static can be applied to any scientific field like economic, political, industry, business, education, administered medicine, and so on. When the statistical method or a science of a statics are applied for a public health, medicine, or a biological data, then it is called as a medical statics or a biostatics or a biometry also. What is biostatic? Biostatic is a subject which deals with the application of a statistical method in the field of medicine, biology and the public health in a planning or a conducting and analyzing data which arise in a investigation. In other words, it is an application of a different statistical method. Example, collection, uh, classification, presentation, analysis, interpretation of the biological variation. It is also known as a quantitative science also, because in a static the fact and observation should be expressed in a figures and the number. The other synonymous of the biostatic is the science of variation, because it deals with the various dependent and independent variables. Biostatics is also known as a biometry. Variable, the characteristics varies in a person, time, place is called as a variables. As the statics deals with the variables, so it is called as a science of variables. What is biometry? In a Greek word, it is combination of a two word bio and the metry. Bio is nothing but the biology or a life, and metry means a measurement. So the word biometry means a measurement of the life. Depending upon the application of the biostatic in a various field, it is named as a health static, medical statics, and the vital static. Health static, it deals with the public or the community of a health. Medical statics, when the statics is applied in the field of a medicine, it is called as a medical static. The action of a drug, various treatment, and the modalities. Vital statics, the when the statics is applied in the field of a demography, that is study of the population, and its important events like a birth, death, mortality rate, fatality rate, etc., called as a vital statics. Application of a biostatics in the field of Ayurvedic research. Ayurveda deal with the four type of ayu: hitayu, sukhayu, ahitayu, dukhayu. Hitahitam sukham dikham ayustasya hitahitam manascha tashrayatoktam ayurveda sa uchyate. Ayurveda also deal with the measurement ayu kamena manina dharma artha sukha sadhanam ayurveda upadesheshu videya paramadara. So it can be concluded that both biometry as well as an Ayurveda deals with the measurement of a life. Biometry can be applied in a various field of Ayurvedic researches like a literary study, pharmacological study, clinical study, and the survey study. Some of the common application of a biostatics are as follow: to simplify or to condense the huge data. First one, for the collection of a lakshana of a various disease, lakshana of a various disease, collection of a lakshana as a purva roop, rupa, upadrav, asadhya lakshana, arishta lakshana, literally study on the prakriti, collection of a various factor about a prakriti, classifying them according to a physical factor, psychological factor, and a shadanga sharira. Vyadhi Shamatvaha, collection of a concept of a bala in the various texts, dividing them on the dividing basis, Sahaja Balaha, Kalaja Balaha, and the Yuktikurta Balaha. To test the hypothesis, whatever mentioned in the classic, to re-evaluate the concept, नासा हि शिरसोद्वारं तत्र अवसिचित औषधं श्रोत्रं शृङ्गाटकं प्राप्य व्यापनश्च मूर्धानम् एव सक्तदोषान् अपरति. Conducting a well-planned research work to confirm the above-mentioned classical concept through the various way. Sushruta opines that disease which can be cured by a Kavalagraha also cured by a Pratisaraha. Hence, both procedure having an equal potency in the treatment of a Kanthagata Rogaha. Conducting a well-designed research work to evaluate the same with the same drug in a two different procedure can be undertaken. To draw the conclusion based on the conducted or based on a previous study, some conclusion are drawn, and it is necessary to recommended or a suggestion when a scholar plan a research work to evaluate the effect of a Kavalagraha in a Mukhapak with some medicine, but with a varying duration of a Kavalagraha, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes in the research work. Finally, on the basis of a statistical result obtained, the scholar can draw some conclusion and can standardize the particular time for a Kavalagraha procedure in the respected condition. To study the relationship between two or more variable, this can be done with the help of a concept of a correlation. When a scholar plan a research work to evaluate the effect of a Kavalagraha in a Mukhapak with some medicine with the varying duration of a Kavalagraha, a relation between the age and height, relation between the fatty diet and the chance of atherosclerosis, relation between a number of cigarettes per day, lifespan of the smoker, etc. Studies can be undertaken. To predict the future thing, this can be done with the help of a concept of a regression. Suppose if we have a data of a number of a case in a polymyelitis for a last 5 year, regression analysis can be prediction of a probable number of cases in the next year. It is very useful in a target setting budget session. In the field of a vital statics deal with the important event of a life which are indicative of a population or a community health. It is very important to know about a community health problem and to counter such a problem through the various plans and projects. Limitation of a statics deal with the quantitative character rather than a qualitative data. Statics can predict the number of books in a library but not the number of good quality of books. Statics does not deal with the individual or a single character. It is a true on a average. In a class A, three students scored 35 marks respectively. The mean score of the class will be a 35. In a B, the a student scores 78, 22 and 5 marks respectively, then mean score will be a 35. Though average is the same in a both group, the individual values differs. This is a limitation of the statics. Here statics deal with the group, not in individual entity. Though the average marks scored in both classes is the same, but does not mean that all the students have scored similar marks. But this limitation can be neglected by the concept of dispersion. The statistical results may be hampered by various physical, biochemical, analytic, methodological forms of research bias. Error does by the researchers, errors in a methodology, errors in analysis, errors in a collection and the calculation of a data. Statistic can be misused and a wrong statistical method can be manipulated. Number of accidents are committed by the females are less as compared to the males. Out of 1000 male riders, 15 males were committed with an accident. Out of 100 females riders, 3 were committed with an accident. With the numerically, the number of accidents seems to be more in a males, but it is wrong to give above mentioned statement because the incident of event taken in both group are not same. If we take a mean in a male riders, it will be a 1.5 and female will be 3. So if we calculate